Deadball Entertainment, and I'm here to show you one of our newest products for you to use during your football games. Introducing to you the Leopard train horn. This train horn is a 4-barrel, 130 decibel CO2 powered train horn. It's loud, it's obnoxious, it's perfect for touchdown celebrations. It's the power of a train in the palm of your hand. Check it out at deadballentertainment.com. This train horn with CO2 tank, $549 plus shipping, direct to you in less than a week. Check it out now. Horn test, 40 psi. Horn test, 60 psi. Horn test, 75 psi.